Now assume yourself to be an entrepreneur having a manufacturing unit and you are manufacturing cricket bats. And for that you have employed 10 workers. Obviously, you would like to know how much is the total output of cricket bats by 10 workers. You would also like to know, on an average, the contribution of each worker because you would like to find out the efficiency of workers, the productivity of workers. And in case you decide to expand your production capacity by 10%, how many additional workers will be employed? Or what will be the contribution of additional workers if employed? All these aspects need to be understood theoretically first and then can be applicable in real life. So let's get started and try to understand the basic concepts of total, average and marginal product. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will enable you to prepare well for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our valuable free videos. If you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's begin. In order to understand the behavior of output, one needs to focus on the basic concepts of total product, average product, and marginal product. Total product is the total output that is produced with given level of factor inputs and technology during a given period of time. For example, if with a combination of 2 units of labor and 4 units of capital, 30 units of good X is being produced, then total product is considered as 30 units. Average product refers to output per unit of variable input. So it is total product divided by units of variable factor, or total product is average product into units of output. It is calculated separately for each factor unit. Continuing with the same example, if total product is 30 and 2 units of labor are employed, then average product would be 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Similarly, one can understand marginal product. It is change in the total output divided by change in the units of variable factor employed, or total product of n units minus total product of n minus 1 units. Also, total product is a summation of marginal product. Let us understand these concepts with the help of this table. 1 unit of variable factor is employed, total product is 10. Average product would be 10 divided by 1, so 10. Marginal product will also remain the same as it is change, and there is no change when 1 unit of variable factor is employed. Now when 2 units are employed, total product increases from 10 to 26. So average product would be 26 divided by 2, that is 13. And marginal product is total product of n units minus total product of n minus 1 unit. That is 26 minus 10, which is 16. Similarly, when third unit of variable factor is employed, total product increases to 51. Average product would be 51 divided by 3. That is 17. And marginal product would be 51 minus 26. That is 25. Similarly, one can find average product and marginal product for all the units of variable factor when total product is given to you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.